Hey there, it's Jason. How are you? I hope you're having an awesome day today. In this video, I'm just going to go through the top 10 benefits of an AI assistant for a service-based business. So if you're a plumber, a hairdresser, an aircon guy, a mechanic, someone who provides services, and you're running ads, whether it be on Facebook, Google, anywhere like that, directly to a website, Facebook page, anything like that. These are the 10 best benefits to help you understand how good AI can be. So I'm going to go through them 1 to 10, and then I'm going to show you an example of how you can implement AI into your business using a chatbot, which you can plug into a Facebook page or website, anything that's online. So let's go through these 10 benefits, and then I'll show you a couple of examples of some chatbots that I've built just to help you to understand how you can implement it into your business and how it can help. So the first one is enhanced customer support. Okay, AI assistants can provide 24/7 customer support, handle common inquiries, and ensure quick response times, improving customer satisfaction. Not only that, but when you're running ads on Facebook and you have a customer that's interested in your business, they want a quote or they want to book an appointment, you want to make sure that you're right on top of it and you're answering them while they're there and while they're ready to take action on whatever it is that they're doing. For an example, for a hairdresser, which I have a bot for, which I've made, they want to book an appointment on the spot. This can provide the information they need, like the pricing, and also a link to a calendar, or in some instances we can employ a voice agent to talk to them over the phone and book an appointment over the phone. There's a few different ways that you can handle that, but that's just one of them. Okay, increased efficiency by automating repetitive tasks like appointment scheduling, data entry and follow-ups. AI frees up staff to focus on high value activities. You can also use AI to replace a receptionist if you did need to. Sometimes, small businesses go through periods where they, can't afford to have an assistant or a human in an office. So it'll allow you to downscale and then, put the AI inside to handle those tasks. Cost savings, so reducing the need for a large customer support or administrative team. It can significantly lower operating costs, which is what I was just talking about. Okay, personalized customer experience. AI can analyze customer data to offer personalized recommendations, tailored services, and proactive solutions. Improve lead generation and conversion. As I was saying in the beginning, striking all the irons hot, making sure the information is given to the lead or the customer there and then, so they can help convert those leads into customers. Okay, data-driven insights. AI can analyze behavior, preferences, and feedback to provide actionable insights, helping businesses make informed decisions. Okay, scalability. AI assistants can handle increasing workloads without requiring proportional increases in staffing, making them an ideal for scaling a business. Again, we have to be real about AI and how it is going to be implemented into businesses in the future. And yes, it is going to unfortunately replace people in their jobs, but it is something that you really need to start thinking about now before it just takes over. Okay, error reduction. Automating routine tasks, minimizing human error, ensuring more accurate and reliable service delivery. Faster issue resolution. AI assistants equipped with advanced natural language processing can quickly understand and resolve customer issues or escalate them to the right team. And I will show you a really good example of that that's happened inside of the aircon cleaning business that I have. I'll show you an example of how it answered a complaint very, very fast, and it actually handled it, and I didn't have to do anything. The customer was happy with the response, and it was programmed to do that. and employee productivity and satisfaction. By taking over mundane tasks, AI allows employees to focus on more meaningful and strategic work, improving job satisfaction and productivity. Alright, I know that's a lot to take in, but if you have a listen to the video again and just have a think about it to yourself, if you're a business owner, or even someone in a position that could possibly be taken over by AI, just start thinking about it, put a plan in place, and start using this stuff to your advantage, because it's out there and it's only going to become stronger out there in the marketplace. So alright, so what I wanted to do was just show you an example of an AI bot in practice, and I've made a website for you. If you want to go and have a look at this yourself, you can, and have a play around with it. I'll just get it up. It is here. Alright, so this is our hairdressing demo agent. So you can come on here and you can just have a play with it. You just sort of click on here. And if you were to have something like this deployed inside of your business, you could have this on your Facebook Messenger page. So when people come through to Facebook Messenger, they'll be taught that this particular bot would be set up so they can handle any incoming inquiry. Also on your website, just like this. This is just pasted onto a web page. Pretty simple and easy to do. So when you're using or testing one of these out, it's really simple to do. Okay, you're just answering the questions that are in front of you. Hi there, welcome to our salon. How can we help you today? So we've got welcome to our salon. How can we help today? Hi, I'd like to book in a haircut. What are the prices? See what it says. Sure. Okay. See how fast it answers? It's just almost instant. So once you've programmed it and given it the knowledge base it needs, it's able to answer that quick for you. So sure, here are the prices for haircuts at our salon. Women's haircut $50, men's haircut $30, kids under 12 $20. Would you like to proceed with the booking? If so, please share your preferred date, time along with the name and contact details. Okay, I'd actually like a haircut and colour. How much is that? Okay, let's have a look. For a haircut and colour, here are the prices. Haircut, women's haircut $50, men's haircut $30, colour services, root touch up $60, full head, highlights partial. I'm not really into hairdressing or anything like that, so I don't know too much about that, but that's just an example of how quickly and how efficient they are. Alright, so let's just say, okay, I want to book. How do I do that? Alright. Okay. To book an appointment, please follow these steps. Share your preferred service. Let me know which haircut you'd like. Choose a date and time provided. Preferred date and time appointment. Provide your name and contact details. Share your name and contact and way to contact you. And you can also directly book on our calendar here. So if they wanted to just book here and here, you can. Or probably the best thing to do is send them to a calendar. Let's have a look. This is just a dummy calendar that I made. Okay, so select the date and time. Let's go. We've got between 8 and 2 p.m. available on Friday, January 17. Okay, 9:30. Next, name. Jason, email, I'll just pop in one of my email addresses here. Please share everything you want. I'd like a haircut and colour. Had a quote of, let's have a look, what was our quote? Let's just ask it. Okay, so how much in total for the cut and colour? Okay, so example totals: women's haircut, full head colour 50 plus 150, 150 men's 30 plus 120. Okay, so we know we're in for about 150. So we got a quote of $150. Now this can be all customized and improved, but this is just an example of what these amazing bots can do for you to help with your business. Okay, schedule event. All right, did I just receive an email? Let's have a look. You are scheduled. Okay, obviously with these forms you can put in a much more detailed form, so they can put their name, email, phone number, all that sort of stuff. I'll just check that I've got that email confirmation. Event name, hairdresser demo, location, haircut, da da da. Okay, so we know we can set it all up, so this can all be customized with logos and make it look a lot more professional. But this is just, like I said, just a really good demonstration of how these can be implemented into your business. So we can have this put onto your Facebook page, onto your website. If you're running ads, or you just want it to be placed on there, so when people come through, the AI assistant can help by booking them in. There's so many different ways that you can implement it, but this was just purely to show you and demonstrate to you some benefits, and then show you all about what it can do. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, give it a subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks very much for watching.